Zakat on minerals and treasures. 76. Property created or hidden. Underground is called RIKÂZ. Those created are minerals. Hidden assets are treasures, which are also called kenz. 77. There are 3 types of minerals. 1. Those that can be softened and melted by fire, such as gold, silver, copper, tin, nickel, and iron. Mercury also falls into this category on land subject to USHUR and HARACH, or on private property, or in deserts. 1/5 of these minerals is taken as a share on behalf of the state. The remaining portion belongs to the owner if there is one. Otherwise, IT belongs to the finder. Accordingly, minerals found within the country's territory must belong entirely to the state, because the state, on behalf of society, is the owner of these minerals. However, according to another narration from Imam AZAM, minerals found on all private lands, such as USHUR land and HARACH land, belong to their owners. 1-5, HUMUS, is not taken from these. 2. Minerals that do not soften or melt when heated. Substances: SUCH, lime, gypsum, ruby, diamond, and turquoise. No share is taken from such minerals. All of these belong to their owner. IF, there is nitrogen monoxide owner. They belong to the finder. 3. Minerals found in liquid form, such as water, salt, pitch, and oil, petroleum. Nothing is taken from these either. They belong entirely to the landowner. 78. As for treasures, they are divided into 3 categories. 1. Islamic treasures. These are coins and items bearing Islamic symbols, such as the SHAHADA, declaration of faith. These are considered lost property. Those who find them may keep them for themselves if they are poor. Otherwise, they must give them either to the poor or to the state. 2. Definition of pre-Islamic era artifacts. These are buried coins and objects that bear marks dated to the pre-Islamic era, such as images of idols. 1/5 of these is given to the state. The remaining portion belongs to the landowner. If there is nitrogen monoxide, landowner, IT, belongs to the finder. For such treasures found in unknown areas such as mountains and deserts, 1/5 belongs to the state, and the remainder belongs to the finder. This applies even if the finder is a non-Muslim. The finder has the right to the find 3 suspected treasure. This refers to buried money and items that have nitrogen monoxide specific markings and whose ownership, whether belonging to Muslims or non-Muslims, cannot be determined. According to one opinion, these fall under the ruling of pre-Islamic treasure. According to another view, they are considered lost property. No zakat is taken from pearls retrieved from the sea, buried coins, fish, or amber. This is the view of Imam AZAM and Imam Muhammad. According to Imam Abu Yusuf, 1/5 is taken as zakat from coins recovered from the sea, pearls, and amber. According to Imam Shafi, zakat is not collected from minerals other than gold and silver. From gold and silver, zakat is paid at a rate of 1/4 shi'ah, provided the amount meets the nisab threshold.